am doing a room tour. My room isn't that big, and I think it's pretty nice, honestly, but you know, you might not. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. Oh, by the way, I got contacts and they hurt. It's not that long, but I hope you stay for it all. Okay, so here's the doorway. It's a cross. We made it with bombs from church. So that's paint. I painted my wall a while ago, like probably a year already. I had this good idea. That's like the top of my door. Anyways, okay, so here's the wall. I have some pictures up there. Here is to the right when you walk in. This is my calendar. Cute. Today is the 29th, but I think today's the 27th, but I think I'll be posting this the 29th. My mom made me write that when she bought this for me. Corona, wash your hands. Yeah, you better wash your hands. You better be washing your hands. Ooh, I drew this with Sharpie. It was fun. I seen it on TikTok. Here's my bed. Here's my rug. I love that rug. That's like a power thing. Those are books. Today I went and picked them up because we're gonna have online schooling now, so that sucks. Here's my bed. I use that to do my makeup because I'm poor and I don't have a vanity. So here is my bed. Cute. Here's my little nightstand thing. I collect some scrunchies. Not really though, don't really use them. Yeah. My jewelry there. There's my contact solution. The little light thing. Yeah, let's turn that on. Cute. Okay, that is it. So, here's my drawer. These are makeup wipes, by the way. They work really good. I don't think they were meant for makeup wipes, but they're like with aloe vera, so they're good. That's for my one act. Those are coloring books and pens. Yeah. Okay, that fell. In here, junk. Mostly bubblegum to fill my bubblegum thing. Extra glasses that I don't use. Boo Buddy, no thing, yeah. Hair stuff. Yeah, there we go. Here's my trash can, because I like 2 pieces of trash. I try to keep it clean, but I can. Here's my big dresser. Noise. Try to organize it. There's some dead roses. Probably need to throw those away or something. I thought that those were real, so I put them in water, but they weren't. Here's another junk drawer. It's like weirdly organized, but yeah. Here's socks, undergarments, like shirts and clothes are in here. Yeah, and I think this one's empty. Yes, it is. Okay. Oh, sometimes Odie comes in, sleeps on that baby right there. He's a weird dog. Yeah, I know. Today's QOTV question of the video is, do you have a pet? And how many? And what kind? Odie and you have pets? What kind? How many? You should comment down below. I love them. I don't really use my TV, so I hung this stuff. That's the slime we made. My Nana bought me these curtains, actually. They're really cute, I think. There's a DVD player, the little cable box, my hamper, practice hat for softball. And that's my birthday day. Here's my random chair. Okay, if you don't have a random chair in your room, you're a loser. Because everybody has to have a random chair in their room. That just has crap on it. Yeah, that's my chair. That's this water paint picture. It looks kind of bad. It's okay. I paint these. I think y'all have seen these before. But yeah. Here's my random frames. They're cute. I love them. Here's my baby. And that's my room. My room is really small, actually. Not much to show, but that's my room. Love it. Maybe one of these days I'll do a closet tour. But those are my closet doors. Right now, my closet's a mess. Oh! Box of fun. I forgot. Okay, let's pull this out. Let's have a tour of my box of fun. Those are little paintings I painted. They're separate, but I painted them like they were together. Literally, gangs. Monopoly for millennials. Yeah, so we have that. We have apples to apples, Uno, some pins, playing cards that are panda, relative insanity, what do you mean, puzzle, dominoes. And that fell off. It's okay. That is crooked. It's okay. Actually, it's not okay, but yeah. That's it. That's my room. I'm not sure if I showed y'all my little elephants. They're down there because I thought they were gonna be bigger, so I was gonna put like 2 there and then like 2 there, but they were small, so I put them there. Okay, so that was my little room. I hope you liked it. Hopefully one of these days I will do a closet tour. Like maybe an updated room tour with closet tour. Yeah, I don't know. My closet is like these 2 doors and it's kind of like a walkthrough, but like kind of not. You know, because it has like these shelves in the middle. But yeah. By the way, I'm so sorry for the lighting. I don't have like a fancy light. But I'm working with what I got. I hope you liked the video. I hope you have subscribed, liked, commented on most of my videos. At least watch them. Don't miss a video. Okay? Okay.